Welcome to chalkboard.com.ph, where learners and tutors meet. Here's a tutorial on how to become a tutor at Chalkboard. Log on to www.chalkboard.com.ph and sign up as a tutor. Just type in your date of birth and email address. After email verification, you may now log into your account. Create your profile by filling out the registration page. Select the subjects and grade levels you can teach. Set your schedule depending on your availability. And then set your rate. After creating your profile, you may now upload your resume, ID, and other documents. Next, you will be scheduled for an interview and teaching demo. Once you pass, you can get verified by uploading additional security documents. It's that easy. Now you can start accepting those bookings. You will receive a notification when someone requests a session with you. To accept, just click on the Pending Sessions tab. Remember to click the learner's name and see their message for you. While waiting for payment, you will see your sessions on the Upcoming Sessions tab. Once you receive payment confirmation, get ready to meet your tutee. Launch your session in the Today's Sessions tab. Using Chalkboard's digital tools, meet your tutee and have the best online learning experience. Join us today at Chalkboard. Sign up now at www.chalkboard.com.ph.